You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web.
Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like flies. Look out, here comes the Spider-Man.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor.
How I know she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. They won't, don't go there. There's creatures who hide in the dark, and something came creeping. It told her that.
So Monty's become quite the truffle dog. Last weekend I posted Monty's first truffle find. About a month ago, a friend of mine gave me a little sample to train with, and I had super low expectations. I've been told it's kind of a tough activity to get into. We did about 2 training sessions in the house and then 1 outside, and then I kind of got busy and just forgot about it. And then he found that one randomly last weekend. So obviously this immediately sparked our interest in working on it again. Obviously it's great that he picked it up so fast, but it does mean that we didn't get to build the foundations that I would have liked to. So we really have to immediately take a step back. The 2 issues we're dealing with is 1, eating the truffle, which is obviously not ideal, and 2, kind of related, is possession over the truffle. In this clip here, I could see that he's very close to finding a truffle, so I use scatters to kind of lower that arousal a bit. And then when I'm in a good position, I tell him to show it to me. And the way he's been doing this is putting his paw on it, because he's about to dig, and this is where I have to interrupt, which I do with another scatter. And voila, here it is. Still pretty early in the season, so a lot of the truffles we're finding are pretty immature and not, great for eating. Not that they taste bad, they just wouldn't taste like much. So most of these will be frozen for training in the future. But I did find one decent one, and I shaved it over pasta, and it was great. We tried different dog sports, but it's been really cool to see Monty really take to one, both in sort of excitement and talent. And we're super excited to share more of this journey with you guys.
Scary noodle! Scary noodle! Scary noodle! Scary noodle, yeah! Can you feel it? My sweet love, you got
got a hold on me. Oxygen. She's like the air I breathe. You're the one who makes me wanna sing.
I feel like I'm dead. I'm alive, but I'm dead. Where are you? I'm over here.
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
男生啊，我就搞不懂了，这个楼是有多么的好玩啊，是有多好？你过来，你把脸给我伸过来，过来。男生。
Hello everyone, Monty here. Today I want to take you guys to my favorite spot in the entire world. It's called a sniff spot. Sniff spot allows you to rent out people's backyards and have your own private little dog park, which is really great for dogs like me that get scared around other dogs. This amazing spot is 20 acres totally fenced in with its own toys. My favorite toy that they have is this soccer ball, and if there's any casting directors watching from the Air Bud series that want to do a reboot, I'm your guy. Soccer Bud Bluey Edition, here I come. And I haven't even gone to the best part yet. This spot has its own trail network. This is where I learned and practiced all my trail manners as a puppy. Oh, and look, the host even provided water. And like I mentioned, this entire place, including the forest, is fenced off just in case you're worried about losing your human. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes my human wanders off, and I have to keep checking in and make sure she's still there. And then when I was starting to get really hot, I went and found this shady area in the field. Mom said something about me being Australian and that I shouldn't get hot so fast, but she's forgetting I'm also part Labrador, which is Canadian, and that is cold. So she can fluff right off. After we were done, my mom said I had to put away my toys. Again, Air Bud, if you're listening. Anyways, I hope you guys find just as good spots near you. And thanks for joining me. Guys, look at my hat. If you want to look as cool as me, listen up. We love going on road trips, and we have a big one planned. So we went to PetSmart to pick up some things. Starting off strong, we have the water bladder harness. Now that I'm a big boy, I feel like I should be carrying my own weight on hikes. It comes with a bowl, and I can carry about 1 liter of water all by myself and look really cool while doing it. Next, Mom made me try on this life vest in store. I didn't think I needed it because I can swim. And orange is so not my color, but it actually helped me swim a lot better. Then Mom makes me dry off on this cargo cover so I don't mess up her car or whatever. Like, I'm too cute to be sitting in the back. Mom mentioned something about sleeping outside on a road trip, and I'm not too sure about that. I get hot really easily, so we got this cooling blanket, and I made sure to let everyone and their sister know it was mine. Make me chill out, Mom gives me frozen food in this thing she called a Kong. The chill didn't last long, because then this squirrel started taunting me, and it's just lucky that I was on the tie-out. And then I was supposed to tell you about these Redbird shoes, but someone broke into her house and ripped open her bag and stole some. Like, what monster would do that? Anyways, thank you for letting me tell you guys about all the cool summer things PetSmart has to offer.
People ask me, why do you spoil him? Why do you let him get away with so many things? Because of that face.
So I just found out that the world doesn't revolve around me. I am quite shocked and very upset.
There are a few ways I'm fulfilling my injured dog. This is a dog that is used to hiking 20 plus miles a week and now pretty much is on complete rest. This video is in partnership with Bob's from Skechers. I've been really enjoying their slip-in sneakers lately. They're super convenient and super comfortable for the more low-impact activities we're doing. Here's Monty's least favorite part about being injured. One of our favorite things to do is go into pet-friendly stores because there's so many novel sights and smells. And I can also work his brain a little bit by doing some tricks. The next thing we like to do is go walk at our local university campus. It's just a really great way to get outdoors, but it's not like too exciting like a hike. He also loves all the university students. Then to tire out his brain a bit, we like to do a little bit of nose work. His scent of choice is truffles. And while he's doing that, I want to highlight some things about Bob's from Skechers. If you guys didn't know, I got Monty from a shelter, so when I found out that Bob's from Skechers has a decades-long initiative supporting animal welfare organizations, and they've donated over $13 million to help shelter dogs and cats, it was a no-brainer to partner with them. We make sure to end off our activities with his physical therapy exercises, and then we're also doing cold laser therapy too. Hopefully Monty will be out and running again in no time.
I cannot hold it in anymore. I just wanna, you know.
In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say no, man, but you can do the job when you're in town. And later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire, babe. We'll face unafraid all the plans that we made. We're walking in a winter wonderland.
Heaven must be missing an angel.
This Christmas I don't wanna go out. I think I'll stay in and sit on my couch. I will be here consuming nachos and beer, and then I will simply pass out.
Federico, where's the baby? Huh? Federico, where's the baby? Huh? Where is he?
Hi, can you please pet me? I just want to be petted. Just a little pet, please. That's why I'm called a pet. Because you're supposed to pet me all the time. You know you want this. Okay, I'm ready for pettings.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well,
look at my face. Oh. I don't give a damn.
I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Shoot that. Hey, why not? Yeah, come
And Sir Pounce. It's Mother's Day. Be nice. Yeah. Yeah, be nice.
Look, I ain't no dummy. I like to say but if we could kiss and just cut the rubbish, then I might be on to something. I ain't giving you one in public. I'm giving you hundreds. Fuck.
What is this? Oh.
You didn't catch that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
He ate it. That was impressive.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Hey, somebody come get her. She dancing like a creeper. Hey, somebody come get her.
Hey, Mimi. Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
Every goddamn morning when I call you in here, you stand outside the door like this and stare at me like I'm on crack when you're the one who looks like you're on crack, my good lady.
Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. And all I need is to be struck by your real.
Baby girl, I bought you something. I got you something. Do you like it? Take it. Take it. Don't stop rubbing it. Just freaking take it. Are you okay? Oh, there you are. Oh, look at you. It's a little pillow. Can I have it? Where did it go? Where did it go? Give it to me. Give it to me. It's mine. Do you want this? Take it. Take it from me.
我妈妈，对不对？喂喂喂，我妈妈，喂。妹妹。嗯。
Kiki, Assalamualaikum. Oh. Viens, viens mon Kiki. Viens. Oh, Assalamualaikum. Ça va? T'as une sacrée coupe, hein?
¡Aló! Lo mejor nunca se sube, al menos que en la radio salga esta canción. Hoy voy a darle paz a mi corazón.
Черный спорт, сумки на спорт, в череде событий, череда забот, через объясни задом наперед. Улица звонит, улица зовет, улица болеет, но врача не ждет.
А потом доливаешь колодку. Получится вот стакана, знаешь, полстакана, чуть больше получится. И вот этот раствор голы размешаешь, и держи во рту. Вот ты выпиваешь.
Show your baby as a newborn versus now.
All right, Brew.
You do what you think, you ain't even had me like sunshine, wow, and trying to feel good. Hey, all right now, and trying to feel good. Hey, yeah.
If you like to talk to tomatoes, if a squash
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Winston? Winston? Hi! You waiting for me?
Oh wow! I'm so beautiful.
fear of nothing, staying alive, staying alive. Feel the spirit breaking and everybody shaking. I'm just staying alive, staying alive. Ah, 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 staying alive, staying alive. Ah, ah, ah.
我好想逃，却逃不掉。放弃。